Health benefits of artichoke. Cancer prevention. Some studies have suggested that the compounds in artichokes may have anti-cancer properties, particularly in relation to preventing the growth of cancer cells. Blood sugar control. Some research suggests that artichoke leaf extract may help improve blood sugar control in people with type 2 diabetes by influencing insulin sensitivity. Liver health. Some studies suggest that compounds found in artichokes, like cynarin and silymarin, can help support liver function and protect the liver from damage. This makes artichokes potentially beneficial for those with liver conditions. Weight management. The fiber in artichokes can help increase feelings of fullness and reduce overall calorie intake, which may aid in weight management. Bone health. Artichokes contain vitamin K and calcium, both of which are important for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Rich in nutrients, artichokes are a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B6, folate, magnesium, potassium, and dietary fiber.